Welcome to Prepaid Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI system designed to assist with stock trading decisions in the share market. While we are currently in an experimental phase and refining our engine, we are committed to transparency, documenting, and sharing outcomes generated by this AI system. It is important to exercise caution when considering these transactions and conduct thorough research of your own before following our actions. Please note that the stock market is inherently volatile and losses can occur in unpredictably. Therefore, making informed decisions is paramount. Please note that this video is for education purposes only. So the stock idea for today is India Mart, and you can consider buying the stock at a price of around 2600, 2614 or 2600 up to 2620 maybe. And what we are seeing here is that it has just crossed the lower band and has started to rise. Also, if you see the overall historical data, we for maybe 3 years or so, what you'll see is that the stock is trading in a very narrow range, and the previous trend being a declining one, there is every possibility that this stock will break out. It has a very modest beta ratio, hence the risk is low, and this stock should reach about 2,700 rupees in a matter of 24 days. The stop loss for this stock is 25.58, and this might be a good buying option for tomorrow, that is Wednesday, 13th March. One other recommendation that we had given earlier was HDFC Life. We had given this idea on 15th of February, and since then, what has happened is that this is when we gave the recommendation. So when it crossed the lower band around this time, 15th of February, and since then, this stock has risen by 6%. Continue holding this one if you have bought it already, and it should hit its target. So let's see how this one goes. So that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching this video. And also, please note that we want to emphasize that do not make decisions solely based on this video. Do your own research, and we'll keep you posted on how this AI engine performs. Thank you.